Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie Edwards Campbell with the Katie Campbell Network, and today was just a hard video to make. This week we're seeing a lot of protests across the US, over George Floyd and other racial injustices. And it's really crazy that in 2020 we're still going through this. So it was definitely a hard video to make. I definitely just, didn't feel like doing much of anything. But something I can do is share resources. So this will be a short video. I'll pretty much just talk about pro bono lawyer services that are out there for protesters. So if you have a loved one who has been arrested due to the protests, there are a lot of lawyers that are offering their services for free. So I will post links below in the description box. But for Minnesota, what I want to highlight are two initiatives that are out there. So the University of St. Thomas, the law students, they have offered to represent folks who have been arrested due to the protests. So all you have to do is contact the St. Thomas Legal Services Clinic. I'll also put the number in the description box. And there's also the initiative started by Colin Kaepernick. It's called knowyourrightscamp.com/legal. I'll also put the website link below. There are a lot of other states where people are also protesting and they're also getting arrested. Someone on Twitter came out with this Google sheet that is pretty comprehensive, and it covers a lot of other states, and it has like the contact numbers of come who will be able to take your case and help you get out of jail. So I just wanted to come on, share this information. It's really sad that we're still going through this in 2020. And I just hope you and your family are safe out there. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.